Hi, this is the Me Techie channel. Thanks for joining me on this video. We're going to talk about office chair replacement wheels, also known as casters. This will help your office chair work more smoothly. It will allow you to roll around much more easily. The durability is amazing. The quality and the craftsmanship is superb. The way the wheels move and turn is really of high quality. Let's go ahead and order a second pair now. I've got two office chairs. I've had one equipped with these new wheels for about 6 to 9 months. It's now time to order my second pair, so let's do that now. I love Amazon. I've been ordering through Amazon and working with Amazon for years. And I just looked up a previous order here and just put in the keyword wheels, and there are the wheels that I ordered. It looks like I ordered them back on April 19th, 2017. This is 2018, so not quite a year ago. The wheels have held up really, really well. They are awesome. Here they are. I'm going to show you the original order. They're currently working at a price of $16.99. Please note that this price will in fact change over time. Whether it'll go up or down, I don't know. Great reviews. This is what they look like. You can see the quality and the craftsmanship is pretty superb. And they fit, I believe, just about any office chair that has standard wheels. This is what they look like when they come in the box. You get a set of 5, which is perfect for most chairs. All right, let's go ahead and order this. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my cart and proceed to checkout. And we're going to get them, looks like February 20th. Here's a B-roll of my daughter rolling around.
Whee!
Okay, let's do the unboxing. This was ordered off Amazon Prime. And you can see here it comes with basic padding. Then within that we have a box. It's quite a small box. It's actually very efficiently packed. I like that. So these are the Sunplustrade Premium Office Chair Caster Wheel Set. Comes with a box of 5. And the features are heavy duty, protects all floor, smooth rolling. Specifications are there. They're basically 3 inches. And let me tell you, I already have a set of these and they are just terrific. So here they are, nice and neatly packed. Each one is individually wrapped in its own bubble wrap, perfectly sized. And this is what they look like. Let's take these out. Okay, so I wanted to show you firsthand how this works. First of all, you can see the movement on this is just, it's really, there's almost like a small quality resistance to it in the way that it's designed. Now, if you look here closely, the way that this turn mechanism is, it's also very good quality. This has got some good weight to it. It's very durable. The rubber here is, I can't explain it. It's like a hard rubber, but yet it's soft to the point where it's not going to scratch anything. You can see here as I roll this back and forth on my desk, it really doesn't have, it's not scraping anything. It's not like a traditional caster. All right, so let's take a look at how this would work. Okay, here's a traditional office chair. Nothing fancy, and what's especially not fancy are the wheels that come with it, or the casters. So pulling off a traditional caster is generally quite easy. You may think it's harder than it is, but it actually is quite easy. You're just going to grab the wheel here and pull it right out. Now, that looked easy. Your chair may not be that easy. The idea is you just want to separate the metal here. Let's go ahead and replace this entire chair with casters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hate to mention it, but there's so much hair and stuff that these wheels, they really just don't move anymore like they did when they were new. Not only that, it eventually scratches the floor over time. Okay, now we're going to put the new wheels on. Push them right in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. That's done. Now it is like getting a brand new office chair. You can't even hear it move. You can barely hear it move. And this is just a pleasure to sit in. It just changes your world when you get something as simple as wheels under your chair, and to be able to just move freely is incredible. And to know that you're not scratching your floor and that you just have that full mobility, it just makes the day go a lot quicker. If you're in your chair 8 hours a day, treat your chair to some nice wheels, which ultimately treats you to just a more pleasurable day at work or play or home or whatever you do behind the computer or at the desk. This is where it's at. All right, good luck with that. And if you like it, there's a link down below, and it's an Amazon link where I can get a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of commission if you buy it through that link. You won't pay any extra or anything like that. It's just something that Amazon provides people who spend the time to do a review or to talk about a product they really enjoy. Gives them an opportunity to make a little commission in sending people to Amazon. So that would be much appreciated, but not absolutely necessary. If you like this content, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll do more videos like it, reviewing other things that I've learned along the way on making life better as a techie. Thanks.